Here is an exercise for you to practice while loop. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Here is an example solution. Let number is 1, and this is our starting point. Let limit will be 10, and this is the end point. And let's initialize the sum with 0. And let's start from number and then keep the loop running until 10. So while number is less than or equal limit, on each iteration, add the number to the sum. So sum plus equals number, and don't forget to increase the number. And then at the end, let's console log the sum is sum. And we get the result 55.